Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use spot reduction coupons in Kucoin. First, navigate to your Kucoin account. You'll find your available coupons in the My Bonuses or Coupon Center section, typically accessible from your profile. These coupons provide valuable discounts on your spot trading fees, helping you save money. Make sure to check the specific terms and conditions for each coupon, as they often have expiration dates and usage limits. It's a straightforward process to locate them. Once you've located your coupons, it's crucial to understand their details. Each coupon specifies its value, such as a 20% fee reduction or a fixed dollar amount off. Pay close attention to the expiration date. Unused coupons will simply vanish. Also, note any minimum trading volume requirements or specific trading pairs they apply to. Some coupons might be for a single use, while others could be valid for multiple trades within a period. Reading these terms ensures you maximize their benefit. To use a spot reduction coupon, you typically activate it right before or during the process of placing a spot trade. On the trading interface, look for an option to apply a coupon or select from your available bonuses. Once selected, the discount will automatically be factored into your trading fee calculation for that specific trade. Always double-check the order confirmation screen to ensure the coupon has been successfully applied before finalizing your transaction. This step is vital for securing your savings. To get the most out of your Kucoin spot reduction coupons, make it a habit to regularly check the My Bonuses section. Kucoin frequently releases new promotions and coupons, so staying updated can lead to significant savings. Consider combining coupon usage with other platform events or trading competitions if allowed to amplify your benefits. Always evaluate if a coupon's discount percentage or fixed amount is truly beneficial for your intended trade size. Strategic use can really boost your trading efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.